At the heart of precision engineering, Suzuki begins the journey of building a modern car.
High-grade steel arrives in giant coils, the foundation of every Suzuki vehicle. Thousands of tons of pressure transform flat sheets into doors, hoods, and structural panels.
Advanced laser cutters shape raw steel into precise body components. Robotic welders fuse components into a rigid body shell with micron-level accuracy. Every frame is scanned and measured to ensure perfect structural integrity.
Anti-corrosion coating protects the body against rust and environmental damage.
A uniform primer layer prepares the surface for flawless paint adhesion.
The starboard side tolerance is showing a microfracture at 400 millimeters.
Confirmed. Adjusting the calibration now.
Check the torque specs on the steering column, please.
All green here, and the seating alignment is spot on.
Side panels, roof frames, and floor structures are stamped under immense pressure, forming the Everest's signature body. Precision robots apply multiple layers of paint, creating Suzuki's signature finish.
Heat curing bonds the paint, ensuring durability and shine. The heart of the vehicle, the engine, begins its meticulous assembly. Every internal component is assembled with exact torque precision. The transmission system is engineered for smooth and efficient power delivery. The body and chassis unite, forming the complete structural base of the car. Interior components are installed, combining comfort with advanced technology. Transmission systems are assembled and calibrated. Robotic torque tools ensure exact fastening.
The alignment is perfect, well within tolerance.
Yes, the diagnostics confirm a pass on all parameters. Great work.
The engine is carefully mounted, aligning perfectly with drivetrain systems. Real-world testing ensures performance, safety, and reliability. Precision-mounted wheels prepare the vehicle for motion. Every electrical system is tested to ensure flawless operation. Essential fluids are added, bringing the vehicle closer to life. Thousands of connections, forming the nervous system of the Electrica. A nervous system of intelligence runs through the vehicle. Technology meets craftsmanship in every detail.
Check the alignment right here on the side skirt. It's within specification.
The paint density is uniform as well.
Here are the keys to your brand new F-150. Congratulations.
Oh, it's beautiful. Thank you so much. I can't wait to drive it.
From factory floor to global roads, each Suzuki car completes its journey to the customer.